In this ukulele, we got the big boy. Oh yeah, the Ohana BK-35G-CE. This is the baritone. One of my favorites. Love the baritone. Matter of fact, we do baritone lessons, weekly Q&As. I'll talk more about that in a second. But anyway, this is all about this solid mahogany Ohana today. Thanks for being here. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. And then also, if you're over on Instagram, check me out. Follow me over there. That's at ukelikethepros. So anyway, as I mentioned, baritone, yes, I'm all about the baritone. Probably because I was a guitar player, love the guitar tuning. Also, you only have 4 strings, and also the bassier sound as well. So this is one of my favorite Ohana models. The I don't know what the series is called because it's CK for the concert, TK for the tenor, and then BK for the baritone. I guess it's 35 because they're all 35. G meaning the high gloss, C meaning the cutaway, and E meaning the pickup. So anyway, I love this line. This is actually the first of the baritones that I got in. So I'm going to do some playing. We're going to go over all the specs of this thing. And if you're interested, these are available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Yeah. I'm not even gonna let this. That thing would go on forever. All right, baritone. What does that mean? You're talking about a bigger body. You're also talking about a longer scale length, and I'm going to talk about that. You're also talking about a different tuning. Do you know the tuning of the baritone? Go ahead and leave that tuning in the comment below. What I really like about these instruments, and I highly recommend you doing this, is getting an all solid wood ukulele or baritone or whatever you get. It makes a difference. It makes a difference in the way it sounds. Trust me, I have all kinds of instruments. The natural wood, the solid wood, it has more resonance. It's bigger, it's warmer sounding. You're going to be happier playing it. You're going to want to pick it up and play it more. Okay? That's my feeling. I play solid wood. You should too. And these are a fantastic price. So that's not even an excuse to get in because of the price, because these Ohana, this 35 series, are really greatly priced. So let's check this out. We got the all solid mahogany. I just love this rich mahogany. It's got that really vintage look to it. You have the purfling, this white purfling that goes all the way around. Really cool. You have the nice double rosewood binding here. So double rosewood binding, solid mahogany sides. There's your pickup jack right there. There's your pickup. And then, by the way, there's a tuner as well. Tuner little EQ as well. And then check out the back. Just another fantastic, beautiful piece of mahogany. Get that out of the glare. And the G in it stands for gloss. So if you like the high gloss, kind of gives that nice little polished finish look. This is it. And then lastly, boom, the C is for the cutaway. So you can do some ripping up there. Okay. So anyway, did you get the tuning? Tuning of the baritone? Let me do another piece. We're going to go over the rest of this thing. just a little piece I've made up, kind of a variation of a piece I made up earlier doing these videos, but it sounds kind of cool. You get a little bit of that finger style as well. So let's check out the rest of this. So you got the solid mahogany neck, and this has a high gloss on it as well. You got the Grover open gear tuners. One of my favorite things here is this head plate here, the rosewood head plate. It gives it a nice distinction between the two woods. So you got the rosewood head plate. It's kind of cool. You got the purfling that goes around here as well. You got the bone, nut, and saddle. And what I like here is the rosewood neck. Rosewood is a great wood. It's a really warm sounding wood. It kind of helps also just balance out this mahogany. Now, a couple of dimensions here. When you say baritone, you're usually talking about also the scale lengths, and that's from the nut to the saddle. Okay, so the nut to the saddle. So this one comes in at about 19 5/8. Really, you should measure it from the inside to the inside. Some people will measure it from the outside to the outside. That's why roughly baritones are about 20 inches. This one's about 19 from the inside in 5/8. So that falls right into the baritone category. All right, let me play another piece. We're going to talk about, no, before we do that, I'll play another piece in a second. Ukelikethepros advantage, getting this instrument here with me, besides getting the great price that you get, I'm also going to help you get better at it. I have a complete baritone course, beginning baritone course. You can get that for free if you want with this purchase of this instrument. But what I highly recommend is signing up for the 3-month premium membership. That's for free. You'll get that same baritone course, but you'll also get access to the weekly. That's right, weekly. Only one doing it, Q&A live with me and other Ukelikethepros members on the baritone. We're really kind of dive in to this great instrument. So that's included with it. You're going to get a padded gig bag. I'll include that with your purchase. No extra charge for that. You get the Ohana warranty. You also get the Ukelikethepros case candy. I got a bunch of different things I can choose from to throw it in the case with you. So when you open it up, just a couple little bonuses for you. So anyway, so some other perks, check below for that as well. All right, let me do one last piece, and then we'll get on out of here. All right, little fly me to the moon. That's on my mind because I just released a tutorial, not for the baritone, not yet, although I'm thinking of doing one, but for the ukulele over on my YouTube channel. That's Ukelikethepros. All right, this is it. This is the Ohana BK-35. Remember, this is a series I like, the solid mahogany. G with the gloss, C with the cutaway, E with the pickup. So this is available at store.ukelikethepros.com. Thanks for being here. By the way, did you answer the question? The tuning of the baritone is D, G, B, and E. All right, we'll see you next time.